Hello, my dear friends. Accept my greetings. I was sitting here and I'm doing my office work. I had been expecting shooting a video for Monday, but because of lack of time, I could not shoot my video. I got time today, and actually, I was thinking to shoot video in agriculture field because there environment, greenery, atmosphere, the background, the feelings, all the things are so exquisite. Thinking that if I didn't get chance over there, what will happen if I'm not able to shoot video? And I thought, why should I not shoot video here? But the next problem was content. If I have no content, what should I speak? As I am also a learner, I'm learning English, I'm learning about life, I'm learning about myself, I'm learning about mind, I'm learning about people's mind, how all these things work here, and what is the use of being here. I was just planning all these things, thinking all these things, and I was thinking that I would shoot a better video. I must have a nice content to shoot video if I have to make a video, because if you are listening to me, you are watching my videos, you must get something from me, otherwise there is no use. I watch a lots of videos on YouTube, and after watching I get influenced. Those all English videos captivate me. Captivate. Wow. What a pronunciation it is. I never miss a chance, and I have decided to shoot a video a day because it will help me to learn English. Yes, to learn English, to improve my English, to improve my communication, pronunciations, body structure, sentence structure, everything. Because body structure, face expressions is also very important, have an important part of speaking. When you are going to speak in front of the people, or you are going to present. Yes, my dear, there is a beach. See, my friend, beach word, I say you should not use beach. It is very poor word. We must give some new name to this. We must change it. Let's see what will happen in future. Anything can happen here. I was just thinking what I was telling. Yes, if I improve myself, that will be good to me, because making a video every day is a nice option we have for beginners. They can really improve this, and I have improved my English by this way, speaking in front of the camera, in front of my mobile. Yes, don't you shut. I'm working on my laptop. This is my laptop. If we really want to learn something in our life, first thing comes fear. And fear can be removed by fear only. If I have fear to speak in front of the camera, to speak in front of the people, I must go to in front of the people, between the people, so that I can remove my fear. And that's why I use my mobile. Whenever I have chance, I speak anywhere. I never miss. Last time I was in Delhi, Pragati Maidan. and I was holding my camera in my hand, mobile, and I was just walking uh, amongst the people, and I was speaking English. Either it was wrong, it doesn't matter, but it gave me so much, too much, very much, big, giant, confident. You can use any word. Never. You can use. It is your practice. It is also my practice. You can practice like this. And I have decided to shoot 2 videos every day because I have to improve my English. If you love this video, you can comment any comment. I would like to read, and I would just say that practice in front of the camera. Make your selfie. It will be better version of you. It will bring change in your pronunciation, in your body language, everything. Now I'm sitting, I'm not feeling any that, I'm not afraid, I'm not thinking that what will you uh, comment after watching my videos, I'm speaking right, wrong. No, I don't think all these things. I just concentrate on my speaking because I have to improve. And to improve you have to just speak. There's nothing, there's no short way of English. Bye friends. Let's meet in new video. Until then, bye. Never give up. Bye friend. Love you guys. God bless you.